When you say a sorry to someone, that doesn't mean you are wrong. That just means you value the person more than being right. It doesn't mean you're wrong. कभी किसी को सॉरी बोला इसका मतलब आप गलत हो गए नहीं. You prefer to save the person than being right. You prefer the relationship more than being right. You are willing to keep the ego aside and transform that ego into humility. To say ठीक है, आपका गधा आगे, मेरा घोड़ा पीछे. आपका गधा है, मेरा घोड़ा है, लेकिन आपका गधा आगे, मेरा घोड़ा पीछे. You know, when a man who says sorry when he's wrong is called honest. A man who says sorry when he's not sure is called wise. And a man who says sorry even when he's right is called husband. क्या करे रही in a queue, you know. One of our American friends came, American bodied, and we took him on a second class 3-tier to Kolkata to go to Mayapur, summer pass. And the fan wasn't working. Indian Railways. And as the fan wasn't working, this guy was getting restless. It's cold, it's hot, it's hot. I said, welcome to Indian Railways. It's hot, he's shouting. So then the fan wasn't starting. So one guy, like a regular man, he asks me, आपके पास कंघी है क्या? I said, how do I have a कंघी? India is what it is, how do I have a comb? So then this guy turns to another, like a normal man, and he asked for a comb. Got the comb, stood up on the seat, and started pushing the fan, you know. And the fan started. Dhakka start. This American man was amused. He said, how did it start? I said, electrostatic energy. Oh my God. Astrology is such a big thing. I was coming from some country. Only Air India international flight I ever took. I don't go on Air India now. Never, just once. And it was a free flight. Only 75 of us. And one Indian man was totally drunk. Completely gone. मतलब he had thought इतना पैसा दिया आखिरी बूंद खाली करके ही उतरूंगा. Finished the whole thing. And then he was kind of lying down there. And he comes, I was sitting there. He comes up to me and says, Pandit ji, Pandit ji, हाथ देखते हैं? I said, जरूर देखते लाओ. He stuck his palm out. I said, liver cirrhosis होने वाला है. He said, बराबर बोला. डॉक्टर ने भी यही बोला था. I said, it doesn't require astrology to see the way you're drunk that you'll get liver cirrhosis, you know. One guy came up to an astrologer and said, बहुत प्रॉब्लम चल रहा है सर, बहुत प्रॉब्लम चल रहा है. कुछ तो बोलो, क्या है बोलो प्रॉब्लम, आप कुछ तो. He said, looked at his कुंडली, said, शनि का 7.5 है तेरे को. शनि का 7.5. बोलो तो क्या करेगा साहब, बोलो. बोला तुम 200 रुपया दो, हम पूजा कर देगा, तुम्हारा शनि वनी सब जला जाएगा. तो दिस गाय सेड 200 रुपया नहीं है साहब. सो ही सेड 100 रुपया दे दो. ही सेड 100 भी नहीं है. सर मेरे भाई 50 दे दे. 50 10 दे, 10 में पूजा करता हूँ. बोला 10 भी नहीं है. बोला 1 दे दे यार, 1 रुपया में पूजा कर देगा तेरा शरीर. ही सेड 1 रुपया भी नहीं है. तू बोला तू जा 1 रुपया भी नहीं है, शनि क्या बिगाड़ेगा तेरा, तू जा. What will Shani do to you, you know? You get lost. You know? Everything has to revolve around my expectations. One boy comes to a mother and says, Mama, I love you. 5-year-old, 5 साल का बच्चा. Mama, I love you. Mother said, I love you too, beta. The guy grew up to be 16. Goes to the mother. Mama, I love you. कितना पैसा चाहिए बोल? He grows up to be 25. Mama, I love you. कौन है, किधर रहती है, बता दो. हम अरेंज कर देंगे, बता दे. He turns to be 40. Mama, I love you. बोला था ना शादी मत कर उससे. He turns 60 मामा आई लव यू, मैं किसी भी पेपर पे साइन नहीं करूंगी, तू जा। माँ है ना, जानती है। मदर नोस। हमको तो वो नॉलेज भी नहीं होता है। एक स्कूल में एक टीचर ने, हिस्ट्री टीचर ने एक लड़के से पूछा, बेटा इन विच बैटल डिड टीपू सुल्तान डाई? द गाय सेड इन हिज लास्ट बैटल। इडियट। उसको पूछा, वेयर इट वाज द डिक्लेरेशन ऑफ इंडिपेंडेंस साइड? एट द बॉटम ऑफ द पेज। व्हेन वाज गांधी जी बॉर्न? ऑन हिज बर्थडे। In which state does Ganga flow? Liquid state. You know, if you have 6 mangoes and you have to distribute among 20 people, how will you do it? I'll make mango milkshake. और सबको थोड़ा थोड़ा देगा बोल रहा है। और लास्ट पूछा, ज्योग्राफी टीचर ने पूछा, बताओ बेटा भारत में सबसे ज्यादा बर्फ किधर करती है? बोलता है दारू के ग्लास में गिरती है सबसे ज्यादा। सक्सेस। फिर उसके पास आईफोन है, मेरे पास नोकिया है ना। बोलते हैं ना, फोन हो तो आईफोन होना चाहिए। क्यों? S1, S2, S3, S4 तो सेकंड क्लास ट्रेन के डब्बे भी होते हैं। आई एम नॉट अगेंस्ट सैमसंग और एनीथिंग, डोंट गेट मी रॉन्ग। नहीं तो बोले प्रभु जी उतरो दिखाता है, हम आपको सैमसंग को गाली देते हैं। यू नो, वी ऑलवेज कंपेयर। वन ऑफ माई फ्रेंड्स वॉज फ्रॉलिकिंग, खूब फुदक रहा था रिजल्ट के दिन। मैं बोला क्या हुआ? बोला 3 में फेल हो गया। बोला तो फुदक क्यों रहा है इतना? बोला वो 5 में फेल हो गया, मैं 3 में ही फेल हो गया। Constantly comparing and contrasting gives rise to envy and jealousy, which takes the happiness away. Therefore, distance yourself from this thing called as jealousy. सबसे बड़ा रुपया। You know, an average teacher in any school in India today, in 10 years after earning, you know how much an average teacher will save? Probably about 1 lakh or 2 lakh rupees. I'm saying on the higher end. You know, a software engineer, in 10 years, how much he will save? His 10-year income saving probably be around, you know, maybe about 40-50 lakhs. Again, I'm saying on the higher end, probably that much. How much would not a good one, but a corrupt politician, you know, save after 10 years of his political, I won't say which scams, controversies, you know, about 30-40 crores, 50 crores. I'm not talking of 2G. General scams I'm talking. 50 crore. Imagine what people wearing this can earn. One very famous man, spiritual guru in India, his 10-year saving was 238 crores only. Another man, again spiritual, religious leader, his 10-year saving was 1,177 crores only. Another man, again religious leader, his saving was 10 years, 4,000 crores only. Choose your career carefully, Baba. What you are earning, software engineer? Therefore they say, छोड़ो घर बार चलो हरिद्वार। सब क्या, but still it will go on. One fully drunk man. Now because the example is that I'm telling you all this. He was passing by a temple. So he asked the pujari, इस दुनिया में सबसे कौन बड़ा? तो the pujari said, मंदिर बड़ा. So this drunk fellow says, मंदिर बड़ा तो धरती पे क्यों खड़ा? पुजारी said, ठीक है, धरती बड़ी, धरती बड़ी तो शेषनाग पे कैसे पड़ी? पुजारी said, मेरे भाई शेषनाग बड़ा, शेषनाग बड़ा तो शिवजी के गले में कैसे पड़ा? Now the pujari was getting really upset. ठीक है मेरे भाई, शिवजी बड़े वे शिवजी बड़े तो कैलाश पे कैसे खड़े? नाउ दिस पुजारी वॉज गेटिंग रेस्टलेस. मेरे बाप, ठीक है कैलाश बड़ा. सर कैलाश बड़ा तो हनुमान की उंगली पे कैसे पड़ा? संजीवनी लाने गए ना. सो नाउ द पुजारी वॉज टोटली अपसेट. ही सेड मेरे भाई तू बोल कौन बड़ा इस संसार? ही सेड इस संसार में तो वो बड़ा जो पूरी बोतल पी के भी 2 टांग पे खड़ा. One guy failed his exam, came home. Father is asking, बेटा क्या हुआ रिजल्ट का? बोला प्रोफेसर का बेटा फेल हो गया. बोला यू नॉट, आई एम आस्किंग यू. सुनने एक डॉक्टर का हम बेटा है ना हमारे लिए, वो भी फेल हो गया. Idiot, I am asking you what happened to your results? लॉयर का बेटा भी फेल हो गया. Now father gave a tight slap. What about you, man? He said, डॉक्टर का बेटा फेल हो गया, प्रोफेसर का बेटा फेल हो गया, लॉयर का बेटा फेल हो गया. आपके एल्बर्ट आइंस्टाइन है, आपका बेटा पास हो गया. My goodness, you can imagine these guys. You know, you have these 3 guys who were talking to each other, 3 boys, school boys. One guy said, my father is so great. He's an archer. Such a great man. He shoots the arrow and before the arrow reaches, he reaches there. मेरे पिताजी ऐसे. The second guy said, तेरे पिताजी. My father is a gun shooter. Faster than the arrow speed the bullet goes. Before bullet reaches, he goes. And he's not Rajnikant. It reaches there. The third guy said, what are you talking? Your father is an archer, he reaches before the arrow. Your father is a shooter, he reaches before the bullet. My father is greater than both of your father. He's a government servant. You know, his office ends at 5, he reaches home at 2. You know.